has 10 eggs. Meg will get the pig. Meg has big legs. Paragraph: an egg for Meg. Mother has 10 red eggs. The eggs were given by 10. Ted. Meg wanted a red egg for dinner. Mother gave Meg one red egg. End. Word list: hen, pen, ten, ben, den, jen, man, yen, can. Phrases: 10 hands in the pen. Has a den. Has a yen. Ben and Jen. Sentences: Jen has a hen. Ben is in the ben. The hen is in the pen. Ken and Jen have a yen. Paragraph: Ben's hen. Ben has a hen. His hen is Jen. Jen has 10 chicks. Jen and her 10 chicks are in the pen. Jen and her 10 chicks play with Ben.